Hey traders, key levels identification plays a very important role in trading. From key levels, we're looking for trading opportunities. We make the predictions based on key levels, but at the same time, structure analysis is very time consuming and it takes a very long period of time for a trader to learn to analyze the structure. So what if I tell you traders that there's just one single indicator that will help you to accurately identify the key levels? In this video, I will show you this indicator. I will teach you how to apply it. It will be a very useful lesson for you. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. So the indicator that we will discuss is called the volume profile. This indicator displays a trading activity at a specific price level at a specific period of time. What it does, technically speaking, it takes the total volumes traded at a specific price level during a specific time period and then visualizes that. On TradingView, we have multiple versions of volume profile. What interests us is the volume profile visible range. Let's add that on our chart. Hey guys, for more education, for more tips, follow me on Instagram. There you will get exclusive trading articles. There you will get exclusive analysis and signals. It is at Vasily Trader. The link in the description below. Subscribe and let's continue. So we can see volume profile on the right side of the chart. And here we can note multiple elements. First of all, here we have this red line. This red line is called the point of control, and basically it signifies the closest strong key level. And at the same time, here we have the buying and selling volumes. So first traders, let's open the settings and let's make minor adjustments. First of all, I really want you to take away point of control. In my view, it is not that important and it will be easier for you to analyze the chart without it. Then let's open inputs, and in inputs I would adjust value area. So what I prefer to have right here, I prefer to have 100. So these are our settings for a volume profile. Then let's briefly discuss what we are looking for with this indicator. So what we are looking for with the volume profile, we are looking for so-called high volume nodes and low volume nodes. High volume nodes are the sudden spikes in trading volumes. Most of the time, such spikes indicate the fair value areas. Most of the time, the market tends to consolidate around such price levels, and most of the time it indicates high activity of buyers and sellers. The low volume nodes are the opposite. It is the sudden drop in volumes, and most of the time it indicates the unfair price levels. Yes, and what we know about high volume nodes and low volume nodes is that the price tends to react to these levels, and for that reason we will consider these levels to be the key levels, the levels from where we will trade. So now traders, let me show you how to apply volume profile in practice. We'll analyze a couple of financial instruments together, and I will show you how we identify key levels with the volume profile. By the way, very important note right here that we will apply volume profile only on higher time frames, and the time frame where I apply volume profile is a daily time frame, but you can also apply that on a weekly. We are on a euro-dollar chart, on a daily chart, and let's apply volume profile right here for structure analysis. Our task right here is to identify the high volume nodes and low volume nodes. Here we have a high volume node, a sudden peak in volumes, a sudden spike in volumes. So what we do right here, we take the lower and the upper boundary of the spike, and based on that we draw a key level. Yes, the zone, the area. Then let's look for some other high volume nodes. You can see that here we don't have high volume nodes anymore. That was the only one. So let's look for the low volume nodes. The first low volume node is right here. You can see that here we have a sudden decline in volumes. So let's take this one and based on its boundaries, let's draw the area, this zone again. Here will be our strong resistance. Yes, here will be our strong key structure. And also I see a low volume node right here. You can see that here we have also a very nice decline in trading volumes. So based on the boundaries of this low volume node, we will draw one more level. By the way, let's make a minor adjustment right here. So with volume profile, we spotted 3 key levels. We spotted 2 resistances and 1 support. And from these key levels, we will look for trading opportunities. From the resistances, we will look for shorting. And from support, we will look for buying. Now let's apply volume profile for structure analysis on Bitcoin. And again, traders, our task right here is to analyze the high volume nodes and low volume nodes. So let's start with high volume nodes. The first spike in volumes I see right here. You can see that here we have a very nice and sudden spike, and based on that high volume node, we will draw our first strong structure. Then the next spike in volumes I see right here. Again, very sudden spike, and based on that, let's draw another structure level. Then I see one more high volume node. It is lying right here. Yes, you can see that right here we have a very nice sudden spike in volumes. So based on its lower and upper boundary, let's draw one more structure. Yes. So with high volume nodes, we spotted right here 3 structure levels. Now let's discuss the low volume nodes. The first low volume node is right here. Yes, you can see that here we have a sudden drop in volumes, and based on its boundaries, let's draw this structure. Yes, here it goes, traders. One more low volume node I see right here. Yes, you can see that here we have a sudden drop in trading volumes. So let's underline that structure together. Here it goes. So with the volume profile, we spotted 5 structure levels. And what I like about the structure levels is the fact that the price action confirms the strength of these levels. You can see that in the past, the market nicely reacted to the structure levels. And how we apply them? You can see that at the moment, the market is approaching that structure based on this high volume node. And within that area right now, we should look for a confirmation to buy the market. Yes, we analyze intraday timeframes and we look for some intraday confirmation of the strengths of structure that we spotted on a daily time frame. Yes, I hope you see how easily we spotted the structure levels with the volume profile, traders. The only task is to identify the high volume nodes and the low volume nodes, and based on them underline the key levels. Alright, traders, I hope you see how simple this method is, and I really want you to try it in practice. I really want you to try volume profile, and I really want you to see how efficient this indicator is. Traders, let me know in the comment section what indicator do you want to learn in the next videos. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.